Using HyperSKU for dropshipping involves several key steps to streamline your business operations. Here's a quick guide. Sign up. Visit the HyperSKU website and create an account. Fill in the necessary information and verify your email. Connect your store. After logging in, integrate HyperSKU with your e-commerce platform. Follow the prompts to grant the necessary permissions. Browse products. Use the HyperSKU dashboard to search for products. You can filter by categories, suppliers, and shipping options to find items that fit your niche. Import products. When you find a product you want to sell, click on Add to Import List. Customize product details such as title, description, images, and pricing to match your branding. Push to store. Once you have finalized your selections, click Push to Store to publish the products on your e-commerce site. Manage orders. When customers place orders, HyperSKU automates the fulfillment process by sending order details to suppliers. You can also track shipments and update your customers easily.